You're good at that. Thank you.
Today is day 13, yeah.
I don't know.
On our 15-day transatlantic cruise from England to the Caribbean, and today we're visiting our 65th country of St. Lucia.
So we explored Madeira by foot, St. Kitts by scooter, Antigua by a car, and we're going to explore St. Lucia by boat. Going on a boat tour.
Okay, no problem. I appreciate you trying to work it out last minute.
Sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Well, that's a bummer. We had plans for the day. We were supposed to be going on a catamaran tour. We had worked it out last minute with a company, but as you just saw, we just got off the boat and I got a call, and for some reason, like us coming on the boat, they needed some kind of special permission, which obviously isn't gonna happen because we were supposed to be getting on the boat right now. So it is 8:15. We have just arrived in St. Lucia. We have to be back on the boat at 5:30. We have no clue what we're doing for the next 9 hours, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. No thanks.
Any help for sir? The price?
Okay, we are back on the ship. This morning, after we figured out our catamaran cruise was canceled, we decided we'd just walk out into the streets and see what there was to do. And we quickly learned that St. Lucia is not a place that you want to do that.
There were a lot of people waiting for the people to get off the cruise, and they were a bit aggressive.
How do
Stressful.
you explain without, so everywhere you go as a tourist, there's people that like want to sell you stuff. Some people do it in a very polite way, and other people just like latch onto you and won't let go until you're very stern with them. And that's what we encountered as soon as we walked out of the cruise port.
And we hadn't done any research on St. Lucia because we thought we were getting on a boat. So we thought it would just be best if we came back here, did some research, regroup, figure out what we're doing today. And Nate found a local market that's in walking distance. So we're gonna go do some eating, which is what we're best at.
They're supposed to have lots of local Caribbean food, so we're going to try to do a little DIY food tour today. Very last minute planning, this could go horribly wrong.
We'll see.
Apparently you should plan stuff before you get into port.
We did, we had a plan. Round two, here we go.
No thanks. No thank you. Watch out for the bus. Okay. Can we wait for me? You're not running from anybody anymore.
Think we spotted it. Right.
I think it's Yuka. Hello. This must be a problem here.
Action, you know?
Action!
Yeah, one time.
Woo!
Whoa.
One time.
All right.
Wow. Thank you.
We haven't succeeded in finding any food yet, but we did find some coconuts for only $1. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, she says fish and green bananas is what we need to try. And she's gonna make it for us right now.
You want pepper sauce?
Yes.
Yes, please.
So you all want the neck fork and spoon?
Yes, please.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. What is
Enjoy.
this?
That's pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce?
Local pepper sauce. This one together.
And what is this?
That's fish.
Okay.
It's tuna.
Tuna?
Tuna, yeah.
Ah.
And this is barren pepper.
Okay. Yum.
that
So
one-
tuna and banana.
Yes. Very nice.
Very nice. Great. Thank you very much.
You will enjoy
That's
it.
amazing. We have found the
food street. We've been wandering around for a while, but this isn't the kind of market that they want you to film your stuff. Like they want you to pay them to film their bananas. So we haven't done much filming, but we were quickly lured into this very nice lady's restaurant, and she said she didn't mind the camera at all, that she had the best local food. So here we are.
A little.
A little spicy?
On the fish. Because that is very hot.
Okay.
Put it on the fish.
Okay.
It's very hot.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Just take a piece. Let's taste it. You go taste it. Not a big piece. Let's taste it.
Just like this. It's very spicy. What is it?
Mango chutney. Mango chutney.
Mango chutney. Okay. The sauce is really spicy, but really good. And the bananas, I expected to be like sweet, like a regular banana, but it tastes very savory. Almost more like a plantain. It could be a plantain. We'll try the fish.
Alright, trying the local tuna. I have no idea how this was cooked, but it is amazing. But they were right, that hot sauce is so hot. My lips are burning.
Okay, so we found a website with 8 mouth-watering foods that we need to try when we're traveling through St. Lucia, saga.co.uk. No clue if this is legit or not, but we really like the lady and the guy that we ordered from. So we go inside and see if they have any of these foods that we can try. We don't want to leave them. They're too nice. And they like the camera, which is apparently rare here in St. Lucia.
Good luck.
They're going to check a few of the other booths for us to see if they have it. I love these people. Up until we sat down at this restaurant, we had gotten the complete wrong impression of the people in St. Lucia. As soon as we jumped off the boat, we had just been bombarded by a bunch of people trying to sell us stuff. But here we have met like the nicest people. Find it?
How many?
50 cents.
How many you want?
So should we go like 4?
You want 4?
4.
$1? No. This one.
So just to clarify, we ordered okra from the nice lady that works here. She didn't have any, so she sent her son to another restaurant to buy some at the local price to bring back here for us to eat. They are fried fish cakes from what I can see, and they look amazing. We got 5 for $1. Oh my gosh. I mean, anything that's this fried, it has to be good, but like, oh.
This is a perfect thing. That.
Ah, okay.
This mango chutney doesn't look too appetizing, but the spice is in it. We're comparing muscle sizes with our friend Banana. What do you think?
Banana's the one that's been helping us out with our food today, and it turns out he's already subscribed to our YouTube channel. We told him we had a channel, and we were like, you should go subscribe to it, and he was already subscribed. You're the man.
Yeah. I'm the man.
And you've been in the U.S. playing soccer.
Yeah.
He's a good soccer player. See, thank you.
Juliet's place number 5. So obviously this morning we were super bummed that our trip got canceled, but at this point I'm almost glad it happened, because otherwise we wouldn't have had that super local experience with those nice people.
So this morning after our trip got canceled, we were frantically reaching out to a bunch of people trying to set something up to do, and the Windjammer Resort got back to us, and they've invited us out to just come like hang out on the beach and relax this afternoon. And we couldn't imagine leaving St. Lucia without going to the beach, so we're about to hop in a taxi and head there now.
The Windjammer Resort, and it's super nice. They have this huge beach, and there's hammocks in the water that are calling my name. I might be there the rest of the day. Also, I ordered a drink and asked for the most local St. Lucia drink, and he named it the Carrot Delight. That's great. Okay, let's go.
ordered a pina colada, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Not a bad way to spend an afternoon.
This was such a way to spend the afternoon in St. Lucia, so thank you, Windjammer, for letting us use your beach for a few hours. It was beautiful. Now our friend Kirby's here to pick us up, take us back to the ship.